Teach Me TV is back again with another great video for you today. We hope all is well with you and yours. In today's video, we will discuss dropshipping. I'm sure if you have been doing your research on how you want to get paid online, this is a subject I know you have heard of. If not, that's okay. We will bring you up to speed, but also provide some tips to viewers somewhat familiar with this business model. Make sure you all watch this video until the end and we will give away a free bonus at the end of this video. If that sounds good to you and you're ready, then let's go. What is a dropshipping business? A dropshipping company is often described as an online retailer of goods that does not own or acquire its products before receiving an order from a consumer. Contrary to the conventional retail model, in which you purchase goods in bulk from a wholesale distributor to stock your shelves immediately and then pick, pack, and ship those goods to your customers, your business operates using this method. In a dropship retail business, the items you list on your site are stored by a wholesale distributor in their warehouse. When you get an order for the item, instead of taking the product from your warehouse or off your retail store's shelf, your wholesaler ships that order directly to your customer on your behalf, with your name and store details on the package. Compared with the customary retail model, the advantage of the outsourcing model is that you don't need vast amounts of costly stock up front and storage. Simultaneously, you try to sell your items. When you use dropshipping, you partner with a dropshipping supplier and list their merchandise for sale. Then, when you get an order, you forward it to the supplier for fulfillment. Fortunately, your customer typically doesn't know the difference and that their order is shipped through your dropshipping supplier. What is the difference between a supplier and a dropshipper? All dropshippers are suppliers, but not all suppliers are dropshippers. Think about that for just a second. A supplier is a generic term for a company that supplies products to vendors or sellers. Suppliers and dropshippers offer products at wholesale prices. However, only dropshippers agree to ship products out to your customers. If a supplier does not dropship, then the supplier would be someone who allows you to buy their products wholesale and would be just a wholesaler. Wholesale is where companies who work with direct manufacturers sell products before sending them to retail stores. The prices are generally below what you could buy them for in a regular retail store. There are a few drawbacks to dropshipping. First, it can often have lower profits because you may purchase the product from a middleman rather than the direct manufacturer. However, most people are just starting to choose this model because there is no upfront cost to get started and no inventory. When finding dropshippers, you will want to make sure you pick a niche market first. Note that dropshipping is a great way to build a business. However, there are other sources for finding suppliers beyond dropshipping. Here are 3 benefits to making money with dropshipping. 1. Cheaper to start and less risk. With dropshipping, you don't have to put a large amount of money in stock or figure out how to store everything. All things being equal, you buy an item when you have an order request to fill. If you don't sell items at the volume you need, you can change to another provider, and you will not be stuck with stock that you need to attempt to dump at a loss. 2. More products to offer. When you don't need to pre-purchase everything you sell, you can offer many items to your clients on your outsource site like eBay, Amazon, or Shopify account. A dropship retailer's ability to provide hundreds of thousands of products to their customer with relative ease at little to no risk. The third way dropshipping can benefit you is flexible work hours and independence. Because you don't have to worry about fulfillment or a warehouse, running a dropshipping business from anywhere with a laptop and an internet connection is possible. You can just as quickly work from an office, home, or even while on vacation. Now I know all of this sounds very enticing, and you're wondering what you need to do to make this a reality for you and your family. Here is what you have to do first. You have to change the way you think about things when they don't go as planned. There are a lot of moving parts in the dropshipping business. It is up to you to ensure that your business complies with all the restrictions and guidelines. Yes, there is some significant money to be made, but we want to ensure you have all the facts. Starting with a positive mindset is the first key. Nothing will ever be obtainable for you if you don't have a full grasp of this. But, on the other hand, if you're consistently negative about every scenario, how can you accomplish any goal or task? Nothing is going to come easy. Since you watched this video until the end, I want to give you a few drop shipping companies that I use myself. So basically I'm giving you something that took me months to figure out. Most people keep all their tricks to themselves, and they have every right to do so. Here, at Teach Me TV, we want you to succeed, that's why we pay it forward. You're getting it free today because we know that you are serious about your business. This is what sets you apart from all the rest. You are willing to put in the work and the time to be great. So here it is. Go to the description box below. Start something great today. If you learned something, we want to hear from you. How you do that is by signing up to the Coma Cash newsletter for more tips or leaving a comment below. Hit the links now. Don't forget to hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. The notification bell as well to receive updates on when we drop another video. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.